In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom email inbox monitoring rules in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and go to the main screen where you can access the Give Hermes a Task input box. To start, clearly define what kind of emails you want the agent to monitor. For example, you might want to track customer support requests, new leads, invoices, or specific keywords in incoming messages. Next, describe the rules you want Hermes to follow when processing emails. This can include filtering by sender, subject line, keywords, or urgency level. Then, specify what action the agent should take when it detects a matching email. For example, you can ask it to summarize the email, categorize it, draft a reply, or extract key details into a structured format. Once you submit the task, Hermes will begin monitoring based on your instructions and process incoming emails according to your rules. You can refine your prompt anytime to improve accuracy or adjust what gets captured. And that's it. You've successfully set up custom email inbox monitoring rules in Hermes Agent. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.